Hello everybody, this is Ronnie Jennings of R Visions Photography, and we're going to show you a day in the life of a wedding photographer. Today's wedding is the Tisdale wedding down in Long, South Carolina.
Morning.
Hey baby.
Say hello to the photographer.
Hey. Oh, I'm saying hey to myself, right?
So, big day?
Big day. Going down to Long, South Carolina for the Tisdale wedding.
Ooh.
Anytime I arrive to a wedding, the first thing I like to do is to get all the essentials for my detailed shots. Things like the bride and groom's shoes, rings, flowers, garter, or anything else the couple may want in their shots. If I can, and everything's already set up, I'll get the cake in the reception areas too. The bride just arrived, so I'm able to get the dress with no issues. Here's the dress. The bride was getting ready, so I was able to take some shots of her finishing her makeup. After that, the rest of the ladies were putting on their robes, and it was time to get their photos. Here I am moving some things around for more shots. Now for the guys, and trust me, the turn up was real. When it comes to the groom and groomsmen, getting ready photos are pretty standard. Close-ups of fixing the tie, the boutonniere. Also, photos of putting on the jacket and other details. The guys having fun cutting up, having a good time. He wanted to show me his dance moves before the reception. Hey, 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 hey. He was getting it. It was hot outside, so for the first look, I had the groomsmen stand under the patio so the heat wouldn't mess up the bride's makeup. Thank God for those fans. After the first look photos, the wedding party had a moment to relax as guests started coming in. So I took this as an opportunity to get some photos of cocktail hour. Yeah, she was ready for a wedding.
So how's it going?
It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well.
No, it was hot. too hot. Grew up in the South and still can't handle this heat. Oh, let me get back to it. Now the bridal party started coming in. I wanted to make sure I got multiple shots of everybody. I wanted to make sure I got as many shots as possible, especially here during the ceremony. I wanted to get shots of the reactions of people, the bride and groom, them exchanging rings, the pastor, a whole litany of shots. At this point, the wedding party and everybody else is kind of done with the day. So here I'm just trying to direct people on how to stand so I can get all the different shots for all the group photos. Sad to say, no wedding is perfect. One of the groomsmen got a little too turned and spilled his whole drink on the groom's jacket. Luckily it didn't stain and we were still able to get some really good shots of the groom and the bride. After that, it was time to get the whole entire wedding party and the guys. After photos with the wedding party, I really wanted to get some really nice, candid photos of the groom and the bride around the venue. Now it's time for the reception. After that, it was just time to dance the night away, sign the marriage license, and call it a good evening.
Finally found me a good thing.